guys, it's Dior here, and if you watched my last video, I unboxed Strawberry Ice Cream Cat, and I'm so happy with her, and I love her so much. She's super awesome. But in this video, we're going to be unboxing a Aphmau Meow Mystery Plush Glitter Edition, and it's Litter 6 Aphmau and Friends season, so it's like so cute, the box and how the ears are up, and it actually looks like Aphmau but in like a box version. And these are the ones you can get, and these are the ones you can get. So let's open this blind box. Okay, so first we get a checklist that's super good. This is what we always want in our blind boxes or anything we open. Okay, so this is the checklist, and we can get Aphmau Cat, Aaron Cat, Ian Cat, Casey Cat, Zane Cat, Noi Cat, Pierce Cat, Kim Cat, Shadow Aaron Cat, and Princess Aphmau Cat. And I already have Aaron and Pierce right over here and down here, so hopefully we get no duplicates. And up here it shows their rarities, so all of them are common until Shadow Aaron Cat. So all of these are commons. All of these are uncommons. They're all uncommons, and these two are rares. I'm really hoping for a rare today, so let's see who we get. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Let's see. Okay, so it comes in a big silver bag. This is always so exciting. So let's see who we get. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, hopefully a rare. I don't know. There's a lot of uncommons that we can get, so I really don't know. Okay, let's unwrap this from here. And it is Aaron Cat. Okay, so we got Aaron Cat. I do already have him, so I'm pretty sad, but he is really cute. I do love Aaron. And his cute little ears, too. They're gray and black with his little tooth. I love that tooth. Not every single Aphmau has a tooth there, so that's really cool. And his eyes are like so cool. And then he has this thing on his face. And he has a red sweater. That's literally so cute. Okay, wait. Can we flip over the sweater over his head? We can. Oh my gosh. He's very cute in the sweater, but I kind of like him without the sweater. He looks so cool this way. And he has like a black tail, gray like feet, and he also has the sweater on his feet too. So I'm very glad of what we got today. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Ms. Dior out.